A hotel is a commercial establishment that offers accommodations, meals, and various services to our travelers. In bustling city like New York, hotels plays a crucial role in ensuring a comfortable stay for our visitors. These establishments range from luxury hotels offering lavish amenities to a budget-friendly options, catering to a different preferences and budgets. New York City, known for its iconic landmark and vibrant atmosphere, boasts a wide range of hotels. With their central locations and exceptional service, this hotel cater to a tourists and business travelers alike, enhancing their overall experience whether it's a business trip or a vacation. A well-chosen hotel can elevate one's stay, providing a cozy retreat in the heart of the city. I'm Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. If you are new from my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click notification bell so that you will be notified if I uploaded my new travel experience video. Enjoy watching. Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. Conrad Hotel is renowned for its extraordinary lobby and reception area. As guests step into the elegant space, they are welcomed by a grand and awe-inspiring entrance. The lobby boasts high ceilings adorned with the exquisite chandeliers that illuminate the area in a warm and inviting glow. The sophisticated design ensures a seamless blend of modern luxury and timeless elegance. The reception area is staffed by a team of friendly and professional personnel dedicated to providing impeccable service from check-in until to check-out. Whether guests are here for business or leisure, the Conrad Hotel lobby and reception area create a lasting first impression and set the tone for a truly exceptional stay. The Conrad Hotel offers a luxurious and comfortable stay, with its junior suite rooms being an exceptional choice. These spacious suites are elegant design, featuring a separate living area and a bedroom. Guests can unwind in the plush surrounding and take advantage of the modern amenities such as a large flat-screen TV, minibar, and espresso machine. The stylish marble bathroom is equipped with a rain shower and deluxe toiletries. Additionally, guests staying in the junior suite rooms enjoy exclusive access to the hotel's executive lounge, where they can enjoy complimentary breakfast and evening cocktails. Overall, the junior suite rooms in a Conrad Hotel provide delightful and indulgent experience for us seeking relaxation and luxury for the whole day of excursion. My experience for this junior suite rooms, all are available, what really need for a guest. The air conditioners work well, especially at nighttime. Spacious rooms and a very comfortable. What I love also is the separation of shower and the toilets. Safe is available as well, and a very relaxing and spacious living rooms. If ever I get some friends to visit with me, it is nice that they can sit and relax. What I really love also for Conrad Hotel, I'm collecting as well the Conrad staff toys. This also some options why we stayed in Conrad Hotel if ever available hotel in the city. So far, I had from Dubai, Hong Kong, and Macau, and I don't really know or sure if which category of rooms that you can get this staff toys. Conrad Hotel offers a luxurious experience with exceptional amenities. Their fitness center is well equipped, catering to every workout needs. State-of-the-art cardio and strength training equipment are available, and expert trainers offer personalized guidance. After a workout, guests can indulge in the delectable dining experience and the hotel restaurants. The restaurant boasts diverse menu, incorporating both international and local flavors, satisfying even the most discerning plates with a focus on the quality and innovations. Conrad Hotel ensures that guests have a memorable stay where they can maintain their fitness regime and enjoy the delicious meals without leaving the premises. The rooftop bar at Conrad Hotel in New York offers a delightful experience for visitors seeking stunning views and exceptional drinks. Located on the hotel rooftop, it provides an oasis in the heart of the city, with panoramic view of the iconic skyline. As you sip on handcrafted cocktails or indulge in delicious bar bites, you can bask in a vibrant atmosphere and soak up the energy of New York City. The bar features a trendy and sophisticated settings with a modern decor and comfortable seatings. Whether it's a romantic date, a gathering with friends, or simply a moment of relaxation, the rooftop bar at Conrad Hotel offers an unforgettable experience for the guest and a local alike. These are the some few clips of my New York travel experience. New York is really an amazing and a very elegant city with a full of stories that you really need to experience. For me, New York City that never sleeps. Enjoy watching! Welcome to the concrete jungle, the city that never sleeps. New York, this bustling metropolis, is a melting pot of cultures, offering something for everyone. Take a stroll through the Times Square, where neon lights and the billboards provide a dazzling spectacle. Visit the Central Park, an urban oasis with its meandering paths and serenic lakes. Don't miss the iconic Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and hope. Explore the vibrant neighborhoods like Soho, known for its tragedy shops and galleries, or the historic charm of Greenwich Village. Indulge in diverse culinary delight from street food to Michelin-starred restaurants. Catch a Broadway shows or head on one of the world-class museums like MoMA, Madame Tussauds, New York, at the city which endless possibilities await your discovery. I'm Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. Thank you for your love and support to my channel. Feel free to leave your comments about what did you saw or any feedbacks that will help my channel to improve in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified if I uploaded my travel experience video. Stay safe and take care.